everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a professional presentation in Canva. Let's get started. First, sign into Canva and search for presentation in the search bar. Select the size you need. You can create a blank presentation or choose from hundreds of templates. For this example, I'll use this template. Scroll through the slides to see how they look. Now let's start customizing. Double-click on any text to edit it. You can delete images and upload your own. You can also use frames to crop or style them perfectly. Click on any shape or text to change its color. Want to highlight something? Use the Draw tool to add arrows, circles, or custom shapes. If you make a mistake, just click the Undo button at the top. Use the Elements tab to add photos, videos, charts, or tables to enhance your presentation. Once your presentation is ready, click Present in the top right corner to preview it in full screen, presenter view, or autoplay mode. To share or download, click Share and choose Download. You can save it as a PowerPoint PPTX file for easy sharing. And that's it! If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.